Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make Queen of Puddings. First, let's create the rich custard base. Gently warm 2 cups of whole milk with 30 grams of butter, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and the finely grated zest of 1 lemon. Heat until the butter melts. In a separate bowl, whisk 4 large egg yolks until they are light and creamy. Slowly pour the warm milk mixture into the egg yolks, whisking continuously to combine. Finally, stir in 1½ cups of fresh white breadcrumbs, and let the mixture stand for about 15 minutes to allow the crumbs to absorb the liquid. Now let's get this delicious base baking. Pour your breadcrumb custard mixture into a generously buttered baking dish. Place it in a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit or 165 degrees Celsius. Bake for approximately 25 to 30 minutes, or until the custard is just set but still has a slight wobble in the center. While it cools slightly, warm about 1/3 cup of your preferred jam, like raspberry or plum, to make it easier to spread. Then, carefully spread this lovely jam layer evenly over the baked custard. Next, we'll create the crowning glory, the meringue topping. In a spotlessly clean bowl, whisk 4 large egg whites until soft peaks begin to form. This usually takes a few minutes. Then, gradually add 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon at a time, while continuing to whisk. Keep whisking until the sugar has fully dissolved and the meringue is wonderfully glossy and holds stiff, firm peaks. A clean bowl is crucial for achieving this perfect texture. For the grand finale, carefully spoon or pipe your beautiful meringue over the jam layer, making sure to seal the edges completely. This prevents the jam from bubbling out during baking. Return the pudding to the oven, still at 325 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake for another 25 to 30 minutes. The meringue should turn a lovely golden brown and become crisp on top. Let it cool slightly, then serve this delightful Queen of Puddings, warm for a truly comforting dessert.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.